Veab has operated for 30 years in the industrial handling sector, designing and manufacturing safe and reliable up-to-date machinery. The acquired know-how enables us to implement effective and innovative solutions tailored to the needs of our numerous clients. The wide range of products includes drum and reel coil clamps, drum lifters and drum grabbers, drum tilters, drum tippers and drum rotators, drum and reel trolleys, drum tilting trolleys, band heaters for drums, reel tilters, reel tippers and reel rotators, reel tilter trolleys, bin tippers, crane arms, as well as a wide range of eco-friendly spill pallets, containment and collection tanks, aerial maintenance platforms, safety platforms, and much more. Today, Veab can be considered the leader in drum and barrel handling and storage, reel coil handling, the handling of bins and various types of containers, stainless steel trolleys, and other indoor handling equipment. Veab fork mountable equipment is installed directly by the forklift, is quickly and safely fastened by a locking bracket in the pocket openings and secured to the forks by a screw clamp. The model BS85HQ mechanical drum grab is suitable for handling metal, cardboard and plastic drums that have a top rim. Like all of our top rim drum grabs, each component is fully treated against wear and corrosion. It operates automatically when both grabbing and releasing the drum. Versions are available for handling 1, 2, 3 and 4 drums at the same time. The high quality of the grab ensures that the gripping of the drum is quick, safe and reliable even on uneven ground. A version is also available that can be attached to the FEM plate of the forklift. The mechanical drum grab model BS85P is suitable for handling plastic drums that have a metal closure and a removable top. Each component of the grab is fully treated against wear and corrosion. Operates automatically when both grabbing and releasing the drum. Fork-mounted and FEM plate-mounted versions of this model are available. Versions are available for handling 1, 2, 3 and 4 drums at the same time. The model BS88 mechanical drum grab is suitable for grabbing standard metal drums from the center. Operates automatically both when grabbing and releasing the drum. The simple and reliable grip is on the cylindrical part of the drum, and it uses the rolling rings on the drum for lifting it. This model is particularly suitable for placing drums on shelves a few centimeters below the ceiling, as it doesn't add to the height of the drum. Fork-mounted and FEM plate-mounted versions of this model are available in versions for gripping 1 or 2 drums at the same time. The model BS107 drum handler clamp is suitable for clamping the bottom of all types of plastic drum. It operates automatically both when grabbing and releasing. The grip at the bottom of the drums is simple and reliable. The equipment provides excellent visibility. It's available in a 1 or 2 drum version, either fork mounted or FEM plate mounted. It can be made from stainless steel or painted steel. The hydraulic grab model BS105 can handle 2 drums at the same time. The drums are grabbed and released hydraulically. It's equipped with a clamping pressure regulation valve with relative pressure gauge to ensure that every type of drum is gripped correctly. The robust and reliable equipment is easy to clean and provides excellent visibility. It is also available in the 1 drum version. The model BS89DF drum tipper can grab and frontally rotate standard metal drums. The drum is gripped using a 230mm high rubber-lined clamping band and a robust clamping handle. The continuous 360-degree rotation is in either direction and is formed by a hand wheel connected to a 1:70 ratio non-reversible reduction gear. In order to tilt the drum at heights that are not reachable by the operator, a chain can be looped around the hand wheel so that the drum can be rotated while the operator remains safely on the ground. The equipment is highly stable even when the drum is in the tilted position. Fork-mounted and FEM plate-mounted versions of this model are available. Model BS89DV is a fork-mounted drum rotator with a continuous 360-degree frontal rotation in either direction. It is capable of gripping and rotating various types of drum with diameters from 350 to 600 mm. The drum is gripped manually using a hand wheel. It is rotated manually using a hand wheel connected to a 1:70 ratio non-reversible reduction gear. In order to rotate the drum at heights, a chain can be looped over the hand wheel so that the drum can be rotated in either direction by simply pulling the chain. The drum rotator is highly stable when the drum is in the tilted position. The clamping jaws are 400 mm high and are covered entirely with replaceable rubber for a better grip and drum protection. The fork-mounted and the FEM plate-mounted versions of this model are available in stainless steel and painted steel. Model BS89DVL is a fork-mounted drum rotator with a variable diameter from 400 to 600 mm. The drum is gripped manually using a hand wheel. The continuous 360-degree sideways rotation is in either direction and is performed manually using a hand wheel connected to a 1:70 ratio non-reversible reduction gear. In order to rotate the drum at heights, a chain can be looped around the hand wheel so that the drum can be rotated in either direction by simply pulling the chain. The drum rotator is highly stable when the drum is in the tilted position. Fork-mounted and FEM plate-mounted versions of this model are available in stainless steel and painted steel. The model BS 89 DVLI hydraulic drum rotator is able to grip and rotate various types of drum having diameters from 350 to 600 millimeters. The clamping and rotation of the drum is hydraulic and controlled by the control levers of the forklift. The drum rotator is equipped with a maximum pressure valve with pressure gauge in order to correctly grip every type of drum. Rotation is through a rotary disc, which allows a continuous 360-degree rotation in either direction. The rotator is highly stable when the drum is in the tilted position. The clamping jaws are 400 mm high and are covered entirely with replaceable rubber for a better grip and drum protection. The fork-mounted and the FEM plate-mounted versions of this model are available in stainless steel and painted steel. Model BS98 is a fork-mounted hydraulic drum tilter from vertical to horizontal and vice versa for storage cradles. It is particularly suitable for storing drums horizontally. It enables drums of different diameters and types, metal, plastic, cardboard, to be gripped and rotated. It has a 150-degree angle of rotation. The 400 mm high clamping jaws are covered entirely with replaceable rubber for a better grip and drum protection. The drum tilter is equipped with a maximum pressure valve in order to grip every type of drum correctly. It is highly stable when the drum is in the tilted position. Model BS121 is used for gripping and tipping containers sideways. The opening of the clamp is from 600 to 1200 millimeters. The maximum carrying capacity of the equipment is 1000 kilograms. The clamping of the containers is through the side brackets and the forks. The continuous 360-degree sideways rotation of the container in either direction is hydraulic. It is equipped with a maximum pressure valve with pressure gauge in order to correctly grip every type of container. The clamping jaws are 400 mm high and are covered entirely with replaceable rubber for a better grip and container protection. It is highly stable when the container is in the tilted position. It is available in both stainless steel and painted steel. The model BS91 drum transporter is a fast and easy-to-handle trolley capable of handling metal, cardboard and plastic drums that have a top rim. It operates automatically both when grabbing and releasing the drum. The drum is lifted using a lever pump and is lowered by using a knob which allows the speed to be controlled. It is particularly suitable for picking up drums from pallets or for placing them on scales. The trolley is available in various standard widths, corresponding to the most common sizes of pallets, but can also be customized according to the customer's requirements. It can be made of painted steel and stainless steel. The model BS91ET DVI trolley comprises a tiller arm pallet transporter and a hydraulic drum tipper. It's an agile and easy-to-handle trolley for the frontal handling and rotation of metal, cardboard and plastic drums. It's capable of frontally tilting drums of various diameters from 400 to 600 millimeters. The 400 mm high drum clamps ensure a safe and efficient grip and provide grid stability even when the drum is in the tilted position. The 180-degree frontal rotation is in either direction. The drum tipper is equipped with a maximum pressure valve in order to ensure that every type of drum is gripped correctly. The trolley is equipped with a casing and tiller arm that have an IP55 protection rating against dust and water. This trolley is also available in the versions that have a sideways drum rotator or a mechanical grab. It's possible to order only the drum tipper unit for mounting on the FEM plate of your pallet transporter. The model BS106 Mouse is a tiller-arm single-column counterweighted trolley, particularly suited for operating within production departments. It's equipped with an FEM2 plate onto which various types of equipment can be mounted, such as forks, mechanical and hydraulic grabs, drum tippers, reel tippers, bin tippers, weighing systems and special equipment. It has a high-quality finish, also for pharmaceutical environments. The single column positioned at the center of the trolley provides excellent visibility, making it particularly suited for use in workshops where space is limited. The trolley is equipped with a heavy-duty traction battery, 24 volts, 370 amp hour, with an integrated high-frequency battery charger. The 250 by 100 diameter motor wheel drive has a power of 1400 watts. The casing and tiller arm have an IP55 protection rating against dust and water. The control buttons, drive, clamp raising, lowering, opening and closing, are located on the tiller arm. The trolley is equipped with numerous safety systems including safety cowlings, emergency button, battery disconnect switch in an easy-to-operate position, reversing warning alarm, electrical overload fuse, a system to prevent it being set in motion accidentally. It detects the minimum angle of inclination of the tiller arm with respect to vertical, allowing it to be operated only when the operator is in a suitable driving position. Anti-crushing operator protecting system, integrated in the tiller head, prevents the operator from being crushed regardless of his position and size. The model BS106 trolleys shown in the video are equipped with hydraulic reel rotator made of stainless steel used for grabbing and rotating reels of paper having a diameter of 800 to 1200 millimeters, and hydraulic drum rotator made of painted steel used for grabbing and rotating drums having a diameter of between 400 and 60 millimeters. Both with continuous 360 degrees sideways right-left rotation. Additional safety systems have been installed on these trolleys, including accidental drum or reel rotation prevention lock. Prevents rotation when the drum or reel are at a height of less than 300 millimeters. Accidental clamp opening prevention lock. In order to open the clamp when the drum or reel is at a height greater than 300 millimeters from the ground, opening must be enabled using a key switch. Reduced speed mode when the drum or reel is at a height greater than 300 millimeters from the ground, in order to maneuver safely in confined spaces. Drum or reel blocking valves to prevent the drum or reel falling accidentally if the hydraulic lines are severed. Maximum pressure valve to ensure that the clamp is correctly tightened. In this case, the model BS106DVLI trolley is used to pour a liquid from one drum to another, in conjunction with the model BS88 center gripping mechanical clamp. For some types of plastic drums, larger, higher and suitably curved clamps can be attached to the standard tipper brackets to ensure their correct and safe rotation. These large clamps are easily installed on and removed from the standard tipper brackets.